Ever wondered how AI is revolutionizing transportation? How is technology making travel safer, faster, and more efficient? In this video, we're exploring how AI is transforming the transportation industry and shaping the future of travel. Let's dive into the exciting ways technology is changing how we get from place to place. AI is making significant advancements in transportation, enhancing safety, efficiency, and convenience. Let's start with autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, interpret traffic signals, and avoid obstacles. These vehicles aim to reduce accidents caused by human error and offer a more efficient way to travel. AI is also improving public transportation. Smart traffic management systems analyze real-time data to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. AI can adjust traffic lights, manage public transit schedules, and provide real-time updates to passengers, making commuting smoother and more predictable. In addition, AI is enhancing logistics and delivery services. AI-powered systems can optimize delivery routes, predict demand, and manage inventory more efficiently. This ensures that goods are transported quickly and accurately, improving supply chain operations and customer satisfaction. AI is also contributing to predictive maintenance in transportation. By analyzing data from vehicle sensors, AI can predict when maintenance is needed, reducing the likelihood of breakdowns and improving overall reliability. This proactive approach helps keep vehicles in top condition and minimizes disruptions. AI is transforming the way we plan and book travel. Travel apps and platforms use AI to recommend destinations, find the best flight deals, and offer personalized travel itineraries. This makes planning your next trip easier and more enjoyable, with tailored suggestions that match your preferences. And that's a wrap on how AI is shaping the future of transportation. From autonomous vehicles and smart traffic management to efficient logistics and personalized travel planning, AI is revolutionizing how we travel and get around. If you're excited about these advancements and want to stay updated on the latest tech trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more amazing content.